Everyone is here. We survived the liquidations, and it looks good. Uh, liquidations at 100, 101, I'd say. It flicked down to about 102, so we are good to go for now. Um, I think by tomorrow we'll be able to get out of this position. Maybe make a quick, maybe a quick 50 bucks or something. We're closing it right here, not too far. Maybe I should set it up a little higher, but I don't know. I just made it to take quick profits, but we're able to DCA down. I reduced the time frame from 3 hours to 6 hours, so maybe I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll do it for one day, and we'll just close it once a day. At least it'll be better, I think. Um, yeah, I just kind of like thinking from what I did before on how Bitcoin moves. I'm looking to maybe switch to the short, but maybe shorting other coins that are possibly inflationary. I was looking for an inflationary coin. Maybe I have to look into it and see which one's which. You have any inflationary coins that I could look into shorting? Might look into it. But in the meantime, that's what we have. Let's look at our slow and steady. Slow and steady is doing all right. I think we filled up all our positions here. I don't have any more. Well, I do have about $700 in available margin left over. It did fill some, I think. Did it fill? Maybe it did fill. But we're about to take profit soon over at 107 and higher. So I expect to maybe get that tomorrow and see where it goes from there. And then we close out some of that out. We'll DCA more in and just kind of work this position until and just keep taking profits. Okay. So overall, not bad. This is my checking account. I'm thinking about basing it to WBTC and kind of holding that position and then using the USDT to trade and grow that position. Okay. All right. I think that's all I got for today. Let's see. Let me check my sticky notes here. See what else we need to talk about. Protocol vault. Yes. Let's look at the protocol vault. See how we're doing there for Apex Omni. If you're not on Apex yet. Ooh, this is definitely growing. First it was 200, then it was 700. Wow, there 154 investors now jumped from 11 to 100. So people are really jumping on this. 86% APR, with over 20 investors in there, and the net value is growing quite a bit. So just making money from all this liquidations that's happening. You want in on this? Jump in. It's only been like less than what 3 days now. We're 3 days in. My 1,000 is now 1.02. Trading value is 1,000. My share 997. I still don't know if what I can redeem here. Let me see. Available shares. If I cash it all out. Oh, okay. There you go. So if I cash it all out now, my 1,000 has made me $2 in 2 days. So if I do $2 a day in 2,000, let's do a little quick calculation here. I think I've only been here for two times 360 days. If I get $2 a day, oh yeah, there you go. 80% APY. That's pretty good. I think it is what it is. I mean, if I get $2 a day off my 1,000 bucks, that is pretty good. That is pretty good. Yeah, I think this would add up quite nicely. Opportunity, guys. I might add some more in here. This might be the safe haven for all your crypto trading. Just dump it in here. Just let it work it. So let's kind of do some simple math here. If I wanted if I put 10,000 in there, what do I get? Right, 10,000 times 0.8. That divided by 12. $660 a month. Yeah. All right. Times 12. Get my 8,000 back. That's pretty good. I think you might want to take some credit card loans out and just dump it in here. We'll see how consistent this is. This is real nice insurance vault. So this is the insurance vault. I think if there are a lot of liquidations, that happen and there's not enough to pay, this is where the insurance vault will come in to fill that need for that. But yeah, guys, you guys need to join Apex Omni. The link in the description below. You'll be able to get 5% off your trading fees, and then you can start investing in those vaults and earn off the liquidation. This is kind of getting in on the exchange game, right? Instead of having to build your own exchange and earn from the fees, you're also earning from the liquidations. Okay. All right. So let's see BTC chart. Yeah, let's take a look at that. See where we're headed. I have it set at a 90 day. I kind of feel like maybe I might need to adjust this a little bit, but I don't want to keep adjusting things. This is a 90-day time frame. I think some people do 60 days. We're kind of coming down on this curve here. Maybe a little bit of sideways before it pumps up to the next leg, up to 130 on June 22nd. So give it 2 weeks. We should be hitting the high. So just ride down this, hold on for steady, and give it a couple of weeks before we get to the next all-time high. All right. I don't see anything. I mean, this is a bullish divergence. Well, I don't know. That's if the price is going down, but over this two here, it's still going sideways. Um, there's that. It's coming down, but money flow is still high. Within 1 hour, this is starting to trend down a little bit. Yeah, I see it coming up. You kind of see that direction for the money flow. You see that money flow coming down, so you kind of see it coming down there. That's how I would read it, you know. You kind of see where the movement's going, and then that's when you decide whether you should long or short. So this is where you would want to long. I should probably look at this more regularly over the hour. This is the part where I would probably know when things are happening, especially you see the direction of that coming down. We would have seen this here, within the last couple of days. And I think for the last 3 days, even though it was there, you can kind of see it slowly coming down. We would have started short position, take advantage of this coming down, and then for 1 to 2 days, then this is where you want to see the money flow going back up, and then start taking the longs again. So, yep, it's just the dynamic movements of it. You can't really see the waves as like, oh, where do I go now? But you have to see where the waves are moving in what direction, and that's how I would read the momentum waves of this. Yes, DCA settings are still the same. I haven't changed it yet. You want to check out the settings. It's here, dca.tradebotssecrets.com. It is free to use. I did push an update out to. I had fixed one of these orders here. It wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. I wasn't cleaning properly. Do I need to kind of clean this up? I think I saw something where might need to clean this up a little bit. I didn't see any longs here, so let's go ahead and add a long to this. We're gonna hit this button here, and once that gets submitted, it'll start to create the orders that it's supposed to create, so that we can long our position here.